Alright, so this might be the family here to pick up the kitty. I hope they don't mind that I'm filming. There he is. There he is. Go get him. Oh no. Morning. Oh yeah. You finally get to go home. He's not sure what to do. So he's only eaten a little bit this morning. He wouldn't eat down there, so I brought him a little food up here. You guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah, so I made a little makeshift bed if you guys want to see it. Yeah, I got kitties everywhere. I'm not sure where this cat came from. But he comes around, but he's scared of everybody. So I wasn't sure what to do because I knew the cat belonged to somebody and he was dumped.
Yeah.
So I got a little tunnel. I got an extra tarp and I put blankets in the bed in there. And he sleeps in there every night.
You should go get the phone and take a picture of his house. I didn't put my cup holder.
This is awesome. He won't go nowhere.
Knitters.
Of course, I'll It's okay, baby.
He's like, I don't know what to do. Never cat.
Loves the sun. And that is him, right? He's probably confused, like, what happened? You get to go home, boy. When I was telling him that earlier, he was getting excited because he was looking around like, I do?